In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set productivity in Google Keeps. Start by opening Google Keep on your browser or phone. We'll first set up labels so your notes have a clear home. Tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, and choose Create New Label. Add simple, meaningful categories like clients, content ideas, urgent, finance, personal, and follow-ups. Keep labels short and limited so you don't create clutter. A handful you'll actually use is far better than a long list you'll ignore. Remember, labels make it easy to filter later, so name them in a way that matches how you think. Next, create actionable checklists. Tap New Note, then choose the checkbox icon to turn the note into a list. Add one task per line, keeping each task specific and start to finish doable. For example, edit YouTube video, schedule Facebook post, reply to client email, and follow up insurance lead. As you work, tick items to mark them complete and drag tasks to reorder them so the most important work stays at the top. Now add visual structure with colors. Change a note's background to match its priority. Use green for income-related tasks, red for urgent items, blue for admin work, and yellow for content. Consistent color coding helps your brain scan faster and decide what to do next without overthinking. Turn notes into timely prompts with reminders. Open a note, tap the bell icon, and set a date and time. If it's helpful, set a location-based reminder so a note pops up when you arrive somewhere. Reminders sync across your devices, which makes Google Keep a lightweight task manager you'll actually check. Pin what matters most so it's always in reach. Use the pin icon to keep your top 3 tasks for the day, your weekly goals, or your revenue targets at the very top of your board. When your priorities live above the noise, you'll start your day by doing the right things first. Build a simple daily system with a repeatable note. Create a note titled Daily Focus Feb 23. Inside, add sections for top 3 priorities, secondary tasks, follow-ups, and end-of-day wins. Duplicate this template every morning so you begin with a clean slate and end with a quick review of what worked. Finally, keep everything connected. Your reminders appear in Google Calendar. You can send a note directly to Google Docs when it needs more detail, and you can turn emails into notes from Gmail. With labels, checklists, colors, reminders, pins, a daily template, and integrations, Google Keep becomes a clear, dependable productivity hub.